Hello everybody, my name is Draego and welcome to a new video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you my new microphone which is Boya M1. So now let's do the unboxing.
Watch me. Dragon off! Drag off!
So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, then
give a like to this video.
Also share this video as much as you can
and join TeamDraego
by subscribing to the Draego Show.
And hit that bell icon near the subscribe button for all the quick notifications.
And please help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible.
So I am using this microphone from a long time and it is a very good mic and it gives some good quality audio. I will definitely recommend you guys to buy this mic if you guys are looking for a budget microphone. It is very good and it has a long cable. You can use this microphone with a PC, a DSLR, a camcorder or a audio recorder. It also gives very less background noises. The voice you are hearing right now is recorded with this microphone, so you guys can judge how is the audio quality of this microphone. Well, I hope that this video is helpful for you. If you guys have any questions related to this video, you can ask me in comment section, and also check out my other YouTube channel which is Draego. I post gaming videos over there. And I will gonna see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push my